Ever wondered what it takes to create a viral motivational video that can inspire millions? The power behind such videos is immense and often underestimated. Motivational content has the potential to reach into the heart of its viewers, sparking a flame that fuels them to chase their dreams, overcome obstacles, and believe in their capabilities. But how does one create such powerful content? It's not just about the words spoken, but the emotions evoked. A truly influential motivational video connects with its viewers on an emotional level, resonating with their experiences, their struggles, and their aspirations. The secret to such compelling content, however, lies not just in the story being told, but in the way it's delivered. How you convey your message can make all the difference. Remember, it's not just about the content, it's about the delivery. So, what's the secret sauce to making your video go viral? Well, let's dive right into the heart of it. One might think it's about flashy graphics or perhaps the perfect soundtrack. While those elements play their part, they're not the main course. The true secret sauce lies in your story. Yes, a compelling story. Think about it. When was the last time you shared a video? Chances are it told a story that resonated with you, a story that moved you, a story that you felt others needed to hear. The more relatable and genuine your story is, the more it will connect with your audience. But let's not forget, a compelling story needs a clear and concise message. It's like a lighthouse guiding ships in the dark. Your message is what gives your story direction and purpose. It's what your audience will take away after the credits roll. So, make it count. Now let's add another ingredient to our secret sauce: authentic passion and energy. It's the spark that sets your story on fire. It's the magnet that draws people in. When you speak with authentic passion and energy, your audience can feel it. It's contagious, it's magnetic, and it's what makes your video unforgettable. But remember, this isn't a recipe to follow blindly. It's more like a guideline. Each of these elements can be adjusted to fit your unique style and message. The key is to find the perfect blend that works for you. So, there you have it. The secret sauce to making your videos go viral: a compelling story, relatability, a clear, concise message, and authentic passion and energy. But wait, there's more to the recipe. There are other ingredients that can make your video truly unforgettable. Stay tuned to find out what they are. Remember, the most powerful stories are those that come from the heart. Ready to make the magic happen and create your own viral motivational video? Let's dive right into it. The first step is brainstorming. This is where it all begins. You need to come up with a compelling idea that will resonate with your audience. Think about what motivates you, what gets you out of bed in the morning, and then translate that into a concept that can inspire others. Remember, the best ideas often come from personal experiences, so don't hesitate to dig deep. Next up is scripting. The script is the backbone of your video. It's the blueprint that guides you through the entire process. But writing isn't just about stringing words together. It's about crafting a story that's engaging, impactful, and most importantly, shareable. So, make your script compelling, relatable, and peppered with a dose of wit. And don't forget to insert a powerful call to action at the end to keep your audience engaged even after the video ends. Once the script is ready, it's time to hit the record button. The recording process can be a bit daunting, but remember, authenticity trumps perfection. So let your passion shine through, speak with conviction, and if you stumble, don't fret, keep going. After all, it's the raw, unfiltered moments that often make the greatest impact. Now let's move on to editing. This is where you can really bring your video to life. Use music to set the mood, add visual effects to enhance the message, and trim any unnecessary parts to keep the video concise and engaging. And remember, the first few seconds are crucial, so make sure you start with a bang. Last but not least, promotion. You've created a masterpiece, now it's time to share it with the world. Use social media, email newsletters, and collaborations to spread the word. Don't be shy to ask your friends and followers to share your video. After all, every share counts when it comes to going viral. But wait, there's one more crucial step that can make or break your video's virality. The final and perhaps the most crucial step to creating a viral motivational video is crafting a compelling call to action. You see, a strong call to action is not just a mere request for your viewers to share your video, It's a powerful tool that can trigger an emotional response, a desire to spread your message to others. Think about some of the most viral motivational videos you've seen. They don't just end abruptly, do they? No, they leave you with a potent call to action, a final appeal that resonates with you, that inspires you to take action. It might be a simple request to share this video to inspire others, or an invitation to join a community of dreamers. Remember, your call to action is not just about sharing the video, but about spreading the motivation, the inspiration, the positive energy. So, are you ready to create a motivational video that can inspire millions? Stay tuned for more videos where I dive deeper into each step and provide you with insider tips and tricks. If this video was of any value to you, remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for all the latest. If you are interested in learning more about optimizing your YouTube channel and growing your streams of income online, I have included links in the description box and pinned comment to all the products that will help accelerate your learning. Until next time, lucrative lessons with Landy, signing out.